Welcome back, entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the top 5 alternatives to funding PIP. Whether you're seeking to finance your next big idea or streamline your funding process, these platforms have got you covered. Let's get started. First up, number 1. We have AngelList. This platform is a powerhouse for connecting startups with angel investors and job seekers. With AngelList, you can raise capital, recruit top talent, and even launch syndicates. It's a one-stop shop for early-stage companies looking to accelerate growth. AngelList's standout features include its vast network of accredited investors, detailed company profiles, and the ability to manage fundraising rounds efficiently. If you're in the early stages of your startup, AngelList is definitely worth considering. Next, number 2, we have SeedInvest, a leading equity crowdfunding platform. SeedInvest democratizes startup investing, allowing everyday investors to back innovative startups. For founders, it's a fantastic way to raise funds from a diverse pool of investors. Key features include a rigorous vetting process, investor management tools, and marketing support to help promote your fundraising campaign. SeedInvest is perfect for startups looking to leverage the power of the crowd. Our third alternative is Fundable, another excellent crowdfunding platform designed for startups. Fundable offers both rewards-based and equity crowdfunding, giving founders flexibility in how they raise capital. With Fundable, you can create a compelling campaign page, access a wide network of potential backers, and receive support from their experienced team. It's a great platform for startups at various stages of growth. Coming in fourth is Crowdcube, one of the UK's leading crowdfunding platforms. Crowdcube allows businesses to raise funds from a large pool of investors, including retail and institutional investors. Crowdcube's strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, comprehensive campaign support, and access to a vibrant investor community. If you're a UK-based startup, Crowdcube is an excellent choice for raising capital. Last but not least, we have WeFunder, a popular equity crowdfunding platform in the US. WeFunder helps startups raise capital by offering equity or debt to a wide audience of investors. With WeFunder, you'll benefit from extensive marketing support, a large investor base, and a seamless fundraising process. It's ideal for startups looking to engage with a broad investor community and raise significant funds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the website links in the description for more details. See you in the next video.